I have this Husky air compressor and it has seemingly stopped compressing air. I took off the cover. There's just a couple of screws along here and here. So this is a pretty simple affair. It's got a motor and it's got this pump. Here's the air compressor and it sends the air through this tube into the tank. And the problem that I have found is that this aluminum pipe, or hose I guess, has broken off inside there. So I'm going to see if I can fix that. Obviously, you just need to, so this comes from here to here, so just need to replace this conduit, which shouldn't be a big deal. I thought I was going to get a chance to use my new flare tool, but really this is just a straight pipe and it's got this collar on it, and I should be able to simply put this on here and this on here, and if there's enough play in this pipe I should be able to take up that much slack. So I use a little file and sandpaper to make this a little thinner in the end so that I can slip this piece over the end. Tight. I wasn't able to get it as far back on the tube. I guess more sanding and filing would do that, but let me see if it's good enough. Connect this in and we'll give it a shot. Alright, let's fire it up. I think I got that on as far as I really practically can, given the knowledge I have. So I'm going to try that. It's pretty firm. Let's see if that works. Okay, let's try this again. Hey! It seems to me that it's working just fine. So, there. Go ahead, fix your own compressor.